Hi, I would like to thank Saraudy for sending me this heavy duty umbrella so that I could try it out and give you my opinion about it. To start out with, it comes in a couple of different colors, has kind of a color block wrist strap, and of course it comes with the little bag that you can put it inside of. So I'm just going to show you how it works. Take off the snap here. It has an automatic button to open it up, and you'll see the colors on the inside match the strap, and then it also has the design on the top here. It's 48 inches or 42 inches. It's quite large, and it does help protect me against sun, wind, and rain. UPF50. And then I want to show you, hopefully you can see on the ribs is what these are called. It's a quadruple rib, meaning it's 4 pieces. So that means you're going to have some flexibility here. See that? You're going to have some flexibility with the wind. And so that helps a lot. Also, I like it that it's so big that I can get another person here next to me and we're both covered. So, and then to close it, you're going to push the same button, quick close, and then just push it together until it clicks. And you're just basically doing the opposite of what you started with the snap. So this is a really nice heavy duty umbrella. There we go. Heavy duty umbrella for sun, wind, and rain. Really recommend this. I keep this in my car. This is a great heavy duty umbrella. I love it. Highly recommend it. Thanks.